Jack, who are you looking for?
Grass.
Let's go find Grass. Are you calling him?
Hi.
Where is he?
Outside.
You think he's outside?
Uh-huh.
I don't think so.
Hmm.
I think he's in the laundry room. Do you want to go look in the laundry room for Grass?
Hi.
All right, let's go. Let's go look there. Come on. Pretty sure that's where he is. We gonna call him?
Hi.
Say, Grass.
Grass.
Come out, Grass.
Grass.
Where do you think he is?
Boom.
Over there?
Hi.
Grass.
Oh.
Grass.
Oh.
Are you calling him?
Grass.
Say, Grass.
Grass.
I heard him. There he is.
Hi.
Hi, Grass. Come on out. There he is. Hi, Grassy.
Grass.
Hi, Grass. Come on out. Come on, buddy. Come into the light. We can't see you. Come on. Hi, Grass.
Hi.
Oh, we can't see him. Come on, Grass. Come on. Come in the light. Did you say light, Jack? Light. Come on, Grass.
Grass.
Yeah, that's him. Hi, Grass.
Black.
He's black. Yes, that's why we can't see him. He's gray.
No.
Come on,
Black.
Grass. He's black. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Come on, Grass. Come on out. Maybe he'll come out later. Say bye, Grass. We'll see you later.
Bye-bye.